So far, I have found that the best legitimate work at home job site is the Work at Home Job Queen. There is a fleshed out Facebook page that goes along with this site. This site has been updated. This site here is powered by WordPress, easy to start. The disclosure, privacy policies, terms and conditions have all been posted. All right, let's get back up here to the top of the Work at Home Job Queen. The person who runs this, her name is Tawana. You go to Work at Home Daily Job Leads, and like I've said, all of these are legitimate. All of these lead to legitimate links. The Facebook is here. The YouTube is here. The YouTube is pretty old, maybe around 6 years old postings. The Facebook page has tons of followers. This is very easy to read. Tawana just installed the text messages, and it's very easy to read because I like to push CTRL F, find, because I like to find part-time jobs. See, I have 61 part-time jobs here. U-Haul, always hiring part-time. U-Haul, part-time. That's if you want to supplement the job with a full-time. Starts at the bottom. Survey Club, that is just surveys only, not a position. We got Care Links, NTI, those are all part-time. MCI does mass hiring. Pay attention here. This one says bilingual, part-time. Zotec Partners. Oh, that's not part-time. That's just the name of the company. Again, we have U-Haul. Navis, reservation sales agents, is part-time. Let's come out of here. Let's go back to the top. Say, for instance, you start with today, June 11th. She has all the new job leads for June 10th. And the job leads, if you click on them, this is another easy click site, call center agent, and it even has the amount you will be getting paid. It goes straight to the Hartford. This is a survey. This would not be a full-time job, would not offer benefits or anything like that. This U-Haul job, let's see here. You have to make sure you do a speed test, CPU score, RAM, name of your processor. An online job, they always want you to know about your computer, know the specs on your computer. So it's good just to take a screenshot of that. This one here has a little star by it because it is for Texas only. Cigna is always hiring. Cigna has an easy to use website. They also have a hiring process that requires testing. So pay attention to that. You only need a high school diploma, 6 weeks of training. It has testing to even get through the hiring process. Linebridge is always hiring. They are not out of the United States. They have an old website. I do not recommend using Linebridge, or else, they need to update their website. Then Tawana has a link here. You can go to her Facebook page. Mod Squad. Mod Squad is always hiring. Mod Squad mostly has jobs that are not on the phone. So you want a job that is not on the phone. Mod Squad, is always doing that. They have a easy to apply button. You just attach your resume. You need to have that in Word form. Attach it. And then fill out these simple line of questioning. Now, the H-1B visa status usually doesn't apply to anybody in the United States. Then this part I don't like. You have to fill out all of this. You have to explain. So it'll take you a long process. You may want to copy and paste this type of process for Mod Squad. Unum is very high tech. They are very picky in hiring. Their interview process is like a two-person interview process. One person will call, then another person will call. Most of these jobs only require a high school diploma. T-Tech, always hiring. They have a bad website. Let's see, let's go into here. View remote. Apply now. Where is it? It's very old-fashioned. I've never heard of Sienna. StarTech. StarTech is always hiring for chat agents. You do have to take a drug screen for an online job with StarTech. Tiffany. I wonder, is this the jewelry company? This is just from June 8th, a couple days ago. They're most likely still open when you click on them. Okay, this one says they're no longer available. Tiffany is the jewelry company. They paid $18 an hour, which is a high pay rate. Kelly Connect, always hiring. If you notice, it says overnight here. She could have several jobs at once. Working Solutions, a very odd hiring process. Extensive training. Magellan. Magellan is a hospital. They are easy to apply to, and most of them use this Workday down here. Workday, it'll save all your information. You can constantly apply over and over. Now, this one here requires an associate's degree, which you will barely ever, never see. But Magellan is very high tech. They will do a video interview for you. But they have full-time benefits. Okay, Teleperformance has a bad website. Old website. The qualifications, again, are only a high school diploma in customer service. 18 or older. Blackboard is an education company, and they service like online learning. If you notice, this one says chat. These are hard to get. So what you want to do is Control Find Chat, C-H-A-T. If you can see the chat jobs you want, these are non-phone. These are the jobs you want. We got StarTech listed. StarTech again. U-Haul chat agents, which I don't normally find. Conduent has a bad reputation, but they have chat agents. Conduent still hiring here. Blackboard. This is my first time seeing Blackboard chat agents, but all the colleges use Blackboard. Colleges like Liberty University, colleges with like a big online presence. Mod Squad, again, like I said, they're always hiring for chat. Sutherland is kind of picky here. My first time seeing their chat. Wayfair, my first time seeing their chat. Wayfair is always hiring. The chat shop is state specific. Georgia, Texas, Florida, Tennessee live chat agents. And I have not heard of the chat shop. Okay, their position is no longer available, but if you look, this website it kind of looks like a blog. It kind of looks homemade to me. Mod Squad again. So it says 35, but there's not really 35. It has Mod Squad listed a few times over and over. But overall, this is the perfect website to find work at home jobs today.